Hey y'all, Enzo here with Knox Knife Mods, and we've got a knife on the table, but we are not talking about this knife. What we're going to do is we're going to use it to open a package. This is headed to our good buddy V over in Sweden. He is an awesome dude, good friend of ours, and has a really great Instagram account. You should go follow him at edc.nord. I will write that out up here on the screen so you can see it clearly. But yeah, awesome stuff. Really great gear photos, and he has a great collection, and he makes some really cool leather products too. Speaking of which, let me show off one of his leather, well, not a leather good, but a good that he sent me. And it came initially in one of his leather pouches that are really nice, but I keep it in my my multi-tool pouch. But yeah, he made this awesome titanium pry bar and sent me one, and that's how cool of a guy he is. So yeah, V's an awesome dude. So let's leave that on the table. But yeah, let's tear into this thing, guys. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh my. Oh my. Whoo, isn't that a pretty box? Isn't that a pretty box? What could be inside? Let's find out, shall we? All right. I think you guys are gonna like this as soon as I can figure out how to get in here. Oh, that's tight. Come on now. Let's try the other end. Will you be nicer to me? No, you won't. I don't want to totally mess this up for V here. Come on. Oh, there we go. Good grief. Okay, guys, here we go. Whoa. Okay. I was not expecting this level of presentation. Wow. V, dude, you got a winner here. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, mama, look at that. Very cool. Let's get this out of its packaging here. All right, come on. Here we go. Wow, very cool. Look at this thing. All right, come on. We got to get this guy out of here. Kizer, y'all might want to put it handle toward the opening, not the blade. Oh man, now we're not going to be using this, guys, because like I said, this is going straight to V. But he did give me permission to show it off and check it out on camera. So this is the Maverick Harpoon Mini, yeah, by Maverick Customs. That's who it was designed by, and boy, this thing. Oh man, V, you got to let me know, man. Are you going to carry this as a neck knife, or are you carrying this as like a pocket fixed blade? What are you thinking? Because in my head, I'm like, this is a wicked neck knife. This is sweet. So what we have here appears to be a Cerakoted finish on the blade, as well as the tang. Obviously, this is a fixed blade, and it has a pretty grainy texture to it, similar to what you would see from Ezzy. And the micarta scales are nice and rounded and sculpted as well. So you have this nice little choil up front for your index finger. Your thumb just naturally wants to fall into that little dip right there. Oh my, this is nice. Blade steel's 10V, guys. Holy cow. I've been dying to try out some 10V. Kizer is making some sheepdogs in 10V. I believe they're mini sheepdogs. I'm not sure if they're doing anything full size. But I really want to try some out. And V, now I'm kind of wondering if I should get one of these myself to try it out. It's a tough call between this and the sheepdog, but holy cow, this thing looks nice. Let's see if there was any sort of sheath in the packaging. Yes, there is. Okay. Got a nice little cloth here. And you know what? We will just set this right here like this. Let's move this guy up here. There we go. Okay, and we have a sheath, as well as some literature. All right. So as you can see here, it seems to be a Kydex sheath with similar to a tech lock system. That's pretty awesome. Let's check the fitment here. Yeah, snaps into place nicely. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Very cool. So it is a bit big for a net carry, but you could net carry this. I mean, there's definitely just unhook the tech lock and you could net carry this thing. It would be bulky, but you know what? Look how flat it is. That is a slim profile. Oh man, that thing locks up tight too. There we go. But yeah, you see how flat the blade is? You could definitely get away net carrying it. It just would be kind of wide is the only problem. But you know, I net carry my Ezzy Izula 2, no worries at all. In fact, I love net carrying that knife. So yeah, guys, this has got me a little jelly. Kind of want one of these. So V, thanks so much for letting us check this out before it goes along to you. We really appreciate it. We don't normally get to do unboxings or anything like that. So, well, Walsh does. Walsh is on top of the game, but I'm bad about doing unboxings. So thank you, V, for sending this along because boy, this thing is cool. Yeah, I kind of want one now. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for joining us. Let us know what you think about the Maverick Customs Harpoon here. I don't know anything about the designer. So if you guys want to fill us in, throw it in the comments and let's help out anybody who's watching who's interested in this knife and give them some information about Maverick Customs. But boy, as far as I'm concerned, oh man, they know their design language. See too, yeah, you can get that nice almost down to the tip for like bearing down and draw cuts. And you can, oh man, this is a cool knife. You know, the other thing is your fingers they're not completely like rocking cuts would still be a little bit difficult because the handle's not fully elevated, but boy, you could get away with it. I mean, you could do a pretty decent job on a cutting board with this. This is a well-designed knife. Gosh. Anyway, guys, I'm just going overboard here. I'm gushing. So thank y'all so much for joining. Big shout out again to V. That is EDC Nord on Instagram, at EDC Nord. And you should follow him for awesome knife content, sometimes awesome philosophical content. He posts some quotes every now and then that are kind of motivational and interesting. But yeah, he's a great guy. Go follow at EDC Nord, and Walsh and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for joining us. See you guys.